Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add pre-built rows to your WordPress page or post with Beaver Builder. So what we're going to do is log into WordPress and check the page or post which you wish to edit with pre-built rows. Okay, so what we will do is we will pick one page. Okay, any page would do. In my case it's sandbox page where I do most of the rough editing, so you can pick that and basically you can launch Beaver Builder. Okay, then click on leave when it asks you to move to page for editing. Okay, now it should open Beaver Builder menu from right hand corner. Okay, clicking on this plus sign should open this. Here you will find modules, rows, templates and saved. Click on rows and here you will find that you have some of the pre-built columns. Okay, and here when you click on this drop down menu you will find pre-built rows. Simply click on that, then you can choose what type of pre-built row you wish to add. So let's say if I want to add feature, FAQ or call to action, I can choose from that. I can also use profiles and simply drop on that. Okay, and here you see profiles which I can drop here. Okay, once drop it will allow you to edit that for any image or link based or even content based addition. Okay, here you see this block, you can edit it as per your information. You can change the image, names and these social media links as well. Okay, so simply click done and publish to see how these pre-built rows with content will appear. Okay, so it appears nice. Okay, if you have removed sidebar and other elements for landing page, such existing or pre-built rows of content can be useful. So you get the idea how to add pre-built rows to your WordPress page or post using Beaver Builder.